Guys, good afternoon, good evening, good morning in whole world, Philippines, Japan, in whole world. Nandito po kami, nag-iikot po kami sa Doo, Kobe ng Japan. After our live, and then later kami mag-live ulit. Pa-show ko lang, taking videos while walking Kobe Harborland. Ang ganda. Nandito kami sa underground. Ang ganda. It's amazing. Malinis. Ang ganda ang buhay. Ayan, may mga makeups, mga cosmetics, mga beauty care. Ayan. Yan, pampaganda. Kung gusto niyo gumanda, guys, yung triple ganda pa. Super duper. O, dito lang kayo. Punta kayo here. Marami yan. Tag-ulan kasi here in Japan. So, marami mga payong. Actually, payong is now is mahal. Kasi raining season. But kung wisely, pwede kayong bumili ng umbrella before raining season. Kasi before raining season, if you buy umbrella, it's very cheap or cheaper, super. But pag season na talaga ng ng raining season talaga on the spot, talaga ang price talaga mamamangha ka dahil nagdo-double price. Kaya ako before I'm buying, I have 3 umbrella. Meron akong mahabang umbrella, meron akong small one, meron pang pocket one. Pero nakakatuwa lang yung mga umbrella price.